So friends, today we are here to discuss about matrix, and basically we will be discussing about the matrix multiplication. From the elementary level we have been doing matrix multiplication, but it's generally 1 into 1 matrix. Suppose I write a matrix 3, it should be multiplied by which matrix, which is I don't know, is an unknown x, and it is equal to 6. So by looking at this we can tell it 3 multiplied by what? It would be 2. It will give us the answer 6. So we are pretty much comfortable about matrix multiplication by one matrices. Now going forward we will be taking it to higher levels, about 2 into 2 matrix or 3 into 3 matrix or some rectangular matrices which are not 2 into 2, like 3 into 2 or 2 into 3, having more rows or less columns, but rows and columns are not equal. So let's move forward and look about metrics and more, and in this class we'll be discussing about the column multiplication. We'll be discussing. So column multiplication is generally, there is a matrix A. Suppose by what matrix I should multiply this, we will be finding this x and it will be giving us some B. We are yet to discuss null space or the column space, yes, but we will discuss about that later. But right now we are only discussing the unknown. We only want to find the unknown matrices. Suppose there is a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, which is equal to A. It should be multiplied by some matrix which is x that we have to find, and the output would be a B matrix. Suppose I take a simple B matrix, just interchanging of columns. 3, 4 and 1, 2. Now we have to find this. 1, 2, 3, 4 is a matrix. It should be multiplied by which matrix, which we have to find here, and the answer would be 3, 4, 1, 2, a simple interchange of a column. Now going forward, first of all we will learn the basic of matrix multiplication here. Suppose there is A, B, C, D, and this matrix, how many rows there are? 2 rows and 2 columns. There are 2 rows and 2 columns, and here I am writing E and F, and this is how many? Oh, this is 2 rows and 1 column. Both are equal, and our resultant matrix will be 2 into 1. And going by the norms of column multiplication, we are yet to find the multiplier. Here in 1 into 1 case we have find the multiplier as 2. 3 should be multiplied with 2, which will give us 6. And now here what would be the multipliers are this one. These are the multipliers. E multiplied by column 1. What will be our column? What will the values of our column? Values of our column will be, this is the multiplier of the first column, and then we will multiply the second column with F, and then we will add both the columns and it will give us the resultant column. Here we will doing E into column 1 plus F is the multiplier of column 2, F into column 2, and this will give us our resultant first column. Similarly, if there would be a 2 into 2 matrix, then G and H will again give us the another column with G into column 1 plus H into column 2, and it will give us our second column. Now going to this question, and we'll be solving this by using the same method here. Let's see the method. 1, 2, 3, 4. It should be multiplied by what matrix, and it will give us 3, 4, 1, 2. Suppose I am taking this row, so I will be finding this both multiplier. This is the multiplier of the first column plus multiplier of the second column, and multiplier 1 into column 1 plus multiplier 2 into column 2, and it will give us this column. Now here we can see just column interchange. For first column multiplier would be 0 into column 1 will result of 0, and plus 1 into column 2, it will give us 3 and 4. So this matrix will be 0 and 1. Now I will be finding second column by writing the second multipliers. Here the first column is as it is, so multiplier is 1. We don't need the second column, so we write 0. This will be 1 into column 1, which will give 1 and 2, and 0 into column 2, which is 0 and 0, and the answer will be 1 and 2. Now similarly, we'll be looking and making other questions and solving that. Suppose here is 3, 4, 5 and 6. We want the output 5 plus 3 is 8, 6 plus 4 is 10, and then again we want the answer as 3 minus 5 is 2, 4 minus 6 is 3 minus 5 is 5 minus 3 is 2, and 6 minus 4 is again 2. I made the question, so I have already made the multipliers, and here we will find the multiplier. What our first column is 8 and 10. Where I can see 3 plus 5, 4 plus 6. So 1 into column 1 plus 1 into column 2 will give us our first column. Now here I have again done it. I have just minused the first column from the second column. Minus the first column. I have minus the first column, minus 3 and 4, and added it to the second column. So the resultant output will be this. We are able to find this. I hope you would be very convenient doing now matrix multiplication using column multipliers. In the next class, we will be discussing the row multipliers. Till then, bye bye.